Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to paint with random objects from our house and we're going to make a floral artwork. Take a polythene bag, turn it around like this, fill it with air, and once you're satisfied with that, either hold the center like I have shown, or you can even tie a small knot, whatever you prefer. Hold it down with your finger to form a shape like this. Next, bring out the favorite color of your choice. We're going to start with making the base for the flowers. So I have chosen a lavender pinkish color and I'm going to paint on top of this polythene bag like I have shown. And now start stamping away. I have used an old plastic lid and I've used acrylic paint. You can even use poster paints or gouache for this. Keep stamping until you're happy with the patterns formed. Next, take brush pens and start forming or start drawing the center of the flower to give it a more flower looking picture. It may not look like a lot, but eventually it will come together. Next, I've taken a green color and I'm going to add the stems to it like shown. And I'm going to shade it with 1 or 2 shades of green to give it a little more variation. After the stems, it's time for the leaves and add them as shown. Once all of that is done, take your black pen and I have given them outlines. Now, it's not very accurate. I have done it very roughly, but that was the kind of texture I was going for. This is what the finished artwork looks like. You can frame it and hang it in any corner of your house. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe, and thank you for watching.